Hey, Scott Grove here, and I got a safety vacuum pump trick for you. So if you're using a vacuum pump in a continuous run mode, this is a VacuPress. It has an auto start, so it sort of reaches vacuum and turns itself off. But there are times you might leave it on in the continuous mode. There are other pumps that just run all the time and they don't automatically turn themselves on and off. But in a continuous mode, you might be using that for a leaky bag or for a vacuum clamp. And we'll do another episode about vacuum clamps. But some of the higher end pumps, and hopefully all pumps, I'm not sure about this one, have a thermocoupling, meaning if it's running for a long time, 2, 3, 4 hours, the thermocoupling kicks and turns the pump off, which is good for the pump. It saves the motor, doesn't start a fire, but whatever you're vacuuming releases the pressure or the vacuum, and that's not a good thing. So I actually got this tip from Darryl Keil of Vacuum Systems. So you take off the lid, it has an enclosed housing, and get a little fan of some sort and put a fan on there. I don't know how to do this, but you would clamp a fan on there. That'll help keep the pump cool from kicking the thermocoupling. In addition, if you're extra paranoid, I had a friend who just had a shop burned down, and that happened to me once. I like to get these little fire bombs. Couldn't hurt to sort of put a fire bomb on there if you're in fact going to let it run overnight or you're going to be away from it for a while. Not a bad idea to do that. So hope that helps. Stay safe. Happy vacuum pumping. Okay? Thanks. Subscribe, like, share, comment, all the above.